Next term, human resources and human made resources. Human resources. We all are human beings, isn't it? If we are resources, നമ്മൾ റിസോഴ്സസ് ആണോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ റിസോഴ്സ്ഫുൾ ആണോ, isn't it? Yes, human being are resources or we are resourceful persons. Why is it so? Because we are giving proper health and we have proper health and education. We the people are resourceful. So human beings are considered resources. I am repeating, when human beings they get proper health and proper education, they become resource. That means after getting education and after we have a proper health, we are doing different kinds of works. All these works are beneficial. So human beings are to be considered as a resourceful. And what is human made resources? Human beings as resource itself. Likewise, we are going to deal human made resources. Human made resources means human beings are creating some resources. അതായത് നമ്മൾ ചില റിസോഴ്സസ് നമ്മൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ആഫ്റ്റർ ഗെറ്റിംഗ് എഡ്യൂക്കേഷൻ വി ആർ ഡൂയിങ് ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് വർക്ക്സ്, construction works, technological works, different kind of work we are doing, and we are constructing a house. That's an effort or that's a result of human made resources. Human resources means മനുഷ്യൻ ഒരു റിസോഴ്സ് ആണ്. As like human beings are constructing or creating another resources. അതായത് നമ്മളെ എഡ്യൂക്കേഷനും സ്കില്ലും നമുക്ക് നല്ല ഹെൽത്ത് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് പല റിസോഴ്സസ് ഉണ്ടാക്കാം. നമ്മൾ വീട് കൺസ്ട്രക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്, ബ്രിഡ്ജസ് കൺസ്ട്രക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. ഓൾ ദീസ് ആർ കംസ് അണ്ടർ ഹ്യൂമൻ മെയ്ഡ് റിസോഴ്സസ്. The next topic, conservation of resources. Conservation means to conserve or to protect, to keep long time. The resources we have to conserve it. Conservation of resources, we know that we have water, we have soil, we have different natural resources, we have all these resources we have to conserve for the future generation. And we have to conserve these resources. The resources, any resources, water, for example, water we have to conserve it, and we have to protect or conserve for the future generation. Conservation of resources means the resources which are used or using carefully and give them time to get renewed. Renewed means reproduced. We the human being, we are using different types of natural resources, isn't it? And all the resources we can use, no confusion for that. We have to use all these resources, but use all these resources very carefully, and we have give enough time to get reproduced. And this we can call it is conservation of resources. We have to use these resources. We are carefully using all these resources, and we use these resources in adequate manner, and we have to conserve the needs of, or we have to consider the needs of future generation. That means next we move on next concept, that is sustainable development. Sustainable development means meets the needs of present generation. That means we can use the resources, but we have to consider the needs of future generation. Sustainable development means meets the needs of present generation without harming environment and consider the future generation. നമുക്ക് ആവശ്യമുള്ള റിസോഴ്സസ് നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കുകയും ചെയ്യാം, എൻവയോൺമെൻറ്റിന് ഒരു ഹാമും ഇല്ലാതെ ഹാവ് ടു യൂസ് ദീസ് റിസോഴ്സസ്, ആൻഡ് വി ഓൾസോ ഹാവ് ടു കീപ് ഓർ കൺസേർവ് ഫോർ ഫ്യൂച്ചർ ജനറേഷൻ. അതായത് വരുന്ന തലമുറയ്ക്കും കൂടെ നമ്മൾ റിസോഴ്സസ് വി ഹാവ് ടു കൺസേർവ് ഇറ്റ്.